Hi robot.
Hi Samir.
What you doing?
I'm doing post-insert English group.
What's that?
Don't laughing, it's English learning platform.
Oh sorry dear, I wanna join.
Okay Samir, don't waste your time, log in your Facebook account and send a request.
Okay dear, who is owner of this group?
Razib sir.
Where is second robot?
Sir, he is absent today.
Why is he absent?
Sir, he's gonna call me to attend his sister marriage.
Has he sent the leave letter through you?
No sir.
It is very bad, you must be not absent whiteout leave letter.
Yes sir, you are right.
Have you answered the paragraph question?
Yes sir, we have.
Boys, look at the picture on the wall.
Sir, who is he?
He is Bengali poet named Tagore.
I know about him very well, he got Nobel Prize for Literature.